If you've ever wondered how HandBrake actually works, this video will make it simple. HandBrake looks complicated at first, but in reality, it's just a friendly interface that helps you convert and compress videos without needing to understand all the technical stuff behind it. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Here's the simplest way to understand it. HandBrake is the front end. It gives you buttons, menus, and presets. Behind the scenes, it uses powerful video tools to decode your file, compress it, and package it into a new format. So instead of manually dealing with confusing commands, you just follow a few easy steps. First, HandBrake takes your input file. When you drag a video into the program, it reads that file and opens it up so it can be processed. This is where the software figures out what kind of video you have and prepares it for conversion. In simple terms, it's like HandBrake is unpacking the video so it can look inside. Next, you choose a preset. This is one of the most useful parts of HandBrake because it saves time and removes guesswork. A preset gives you a ready-made setup for things like quality, resolution, and compatibility. So if you want a video that works well for YouTube or mobile devices, you can pick a preset that gets you close right away. After that, you can adjust the dimensions. This is where HandBrake checks the size and shape of your video. If there are black bars or extra space around the picture, it can remove them automatically. That helps keep the file clean and avoids wasting space on parts of the image you don't actually need. Then comes the video settings. This is the main compression stage. HandBrake reduces file size by re-encoding the video in a smarter way. Instead of saving every tiny frame exactly as it is, it looks for parts that stay the same and uses compression to make the file much smaller. That's why HandBrake can turn a huge video file into something more manageable without ruining the quality. You'll also see audio and subtitle options. This part is important because HandBrake doesn't just handle video, it also makes sure the sound and any subtitles are included properly in the final file. Think of it like packing everything into one complete video container so it all stays synchronized and ready to play. When everything looks good, you click Start Encode. That's the moment HandBrake begins doing the heavy work. Your computer processes the file, applies all the settings you chose, and creates the final version of the video. If your fan starts spinning faster, that's normal because the system is working through all the calculations needed to rebuild the file. So in short, HandBrake works by taking your original video, decoding it, compressing it with your chosen settings, and exporting a smaller, cleaner, more compatible file. That's what makes it such a popular tool for creators, editors, and anyone who needs to convert videos quickly. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this. And if you want, I can also make a step-by-step HandBrake tutorial next, showing exactly how to use it from start to finish.